What are you doing February 11th? If you're a speaker, a trainer, or presenter in the Georgia area, you simply must join us for the NSA Georgia Chapter Special Event. You asked for it, you got it. Stagecraft. How do you use the stage in order to get your point across, to make it clear to your audience? Your stage is the invisible storyteller. Who am I? My name is Darren LaCroix. I joined NSA in 1994, but in 1992, I bombed miserably at a comedy club in Boston. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001, I outspoke 25,000 contestants from 14 countries to become the world champion of public speaking. And part of that is because of your very own Mark Brown. Thanks, Coach Brown. I appreciate it. One of the things that separates me from many speakers, trainers, and coaches is my use of stage. So I'm thrilled to be able to present to you your stage, your story. Use it or confuse it. So many presenters don't understand they're actually making their message diluted because of how they move on stage. What's so cool about this session is a lot of things you have to learn over time. I promise when you walk away, you'll never look at presenting and using the stage the same way again, guaranteed. You gotta join us. By the way, in the afternoon, we're gonna have a special Speakers Academy showcase. We'll have some of our new members from the Speakers Academy show their gifts, their craft, their presentation, and a few more too. And we'll kind of point out what they used and how they used it well. So join us for this special event. It's going to be a game changer for you. NSA Georgia, February 11th. Register now, and I'll see you in Georgia. Join us.
Check out StagetimeUniversity.com, where good presenters become unforgettable.